Chef here, and today I'm zesting some citrus. Citrus zest is the outer part that adds a lot of great flavor to some of your baked goods or other food items. I really like it. So you can zest lemons, limes, oranges, whatever you want to. When I do an orange, quite often I'll go in a pan like this and just give it a little zest like this, and then I'll let that zest dry out and use it in baked goods like that. If you want a more aggressive zest, a little bit larger, then you're going to use the long skinny microplane grater. These work great. I'll show you real quick here the lime zest. Same deal. It's just fast, really aggressive right there. Okay, so that's it. If you need these, visit your sponsor. They got them all in stock, and they come with these cool covers, which are an option on these guards, on these graters here. Pretty cool, just to store it. Yeah, your sponsor right there. Have a great day. Oh, smells so good. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.